every game, lagi namin remind yung isa't isa na this is always gonna be a do or die game. This is the championship. Second day pa lang. Kasi we went through, lalo na kaming apat, ako, si Doy, si Earl, at saka si JC, we went through hardships last season. Kasi we didn't have a big, kasi last season we have Boris
Puro wings.
Marasigan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
puro wings. Yeah.
So we had a hard time as to play the big guys of the other teams. Kaming apat. Hindi tayo pwede mag-relax-relax. Kahit medyo luwalamang na tayo ng malaki-laki, tapusin natin agad para makapagpahinga tayo. The next day, laban tayo uli. And that's what makes this band of brothers so special kasi sobrang pinupush namin yung sarili namin to the point na nag-aaway-away na kami just to really finish strong and finish what we started. And even if it looks easy on the outside, we remind ourselves na we need to embrace hard. Kung ano yung mahirap, dapat doon kami. Hindi kami pwede na pa-relax-relax lang. Hindi kami pwede sa easy lang. Pag pagod na kami, kailangan namin higitan pa yung pagod namin. Kasi we know na this is gonna prepare us for even greater things. Lalo na kapag pasok ng season 89 this year.